Like a ground ball slipping through the infield, breakthrough cases, when fully vaccinated people get COVID, are supposed to be rare. But now 9 members of the New York Yankees, including shortstop Gleyber Torres, have tested positive for the virus in the last week. Only one person was sick with just mild symptoms. They all received the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Obviously, we've been rocked here the last several days, so just trying to handle it and as best we can.
It all started on May 11th in Tampa, the beginning of a 10-day road trip. Before the game, the team announced the third base coach was positive. By the end of the game, there were 2 more cases. The next day, the number was up to 7. On Thursday, shortstop Torres was added to the list. 3 days later, the 9th positive test result.
How can the vaccine be working if you have 9 people associated with this team get the virus after they were vaccinated?
Well, we always knew that the main goal of the vaccine was to keep us out of the hospital. We don't want to die. We don't want to be in the intensive care unit.
The team is, in some respects, the perfect test case for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which has shown to be 72% effective. The organization does saliva testing multiple times each day. Health officials, including the CDC, say the number of positive cases isn't actually surprising.
I think these results are even better than I would have expected, because there's a much larger group of people who are associated with the Yankees and travel with them. This is actually a pretty small number.
But unlike professional sports, most workplaces do not test daily, meaning positive cases, even among those people fully vaccinated, can go undetected.
Should that make people a little bit nervous?
I think it should make them careful. Make sure that anybody who has symptoms gets tested.
Recent research shows that fully vaccinated people are unlikely to transmit the virus, which is why there is new mask guidance. But the Bronx bombers outbreak, experts say, is a reminder that the vaccines are not perfect.
The CDC says it is working with the Yankees to look into this outbreak. Meanwhile, Johnson & Johnson tells NBC News that it carefully reviews all reported adverse events that take place with its vaccine, and that includes these breakout cases.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.